Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the currency on your Amazon app. It's super easy, so let's get started. Open Amazon app. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account before proceeding. Once you're signed in, tap on the profile icon in the middle left, then click on flag at the top right corner. Here, you'll see different options. Since we want to change the currency, tap on the currency option at the bottom. Now, choose the currency you prefer. In this case, I'm selecting Euro. Informing you that prices may be displayed in your selected currency, but payment may still be processed in the original currency. Once you're ready, tap Done and your Amazon app will refresh. Now, you'll see product prices in the new currency you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon app currency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.